Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys how can we change our font size in our Tecno phone device. Guys, you want to change your font size in your Tecno phone device, so as you can change it. And guys, now let's see how to change font size in our Tecno phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So guys, before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and are watching my video first time, so guys, first of all go and subscribe my channel. So guys, now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting to change your font size. Then guys, scroll display and brightness setting, tap here and guys click on font size. So you can see guys, you have these three sizes. So guys, you can change from here like this large size. Come back. So guys, your font size will increase into like large size. So I hope friends you have understood how to change font size in our Tecno phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.